Are you ready to conquer any terrain, from rugged mountains to vast, open deserts? Today, we're diving deep into the world of lightweight adventure motorbikes. We'll review the top 5 machines that promise thrill, reliability, and unforgettable journeys. Our goal is to help you find the perfect companion for your next great adventure. First up, we have the incredible Trailblazer 250. Its sleek design immediately catches the eye. This bike boasts a powerful yet efficient engine, perfect for long-distance exploration. On the trails, the Trailblazer 250 truly shines. Its agile handling makes navigating tight spots a breeze. The suspension system absorbs bumps effortlessly, providing a smooth ride even on rough terrain. Its lightweight frame contributes to exceptional maneuverability and fuel efficiency. The integrated GPS and digital display offer modern convenience for any journey. However, some riders might find the seat a bit firm for extremely long rides. The Trailblazer 250 is ideal for weekend warriors and those new to adventure riding. Next, we introduce the rugged Wanderer 300, built for durability and exploration. Its distinctive design features reinforced body panels and a high ground clearance. The Wanderer 300 excels in challenging off-road conditions, tackling steep inclines with ease. Its powerful engine delivers consistent torque, essential for technical riding. The bike's exceptional durability means it can withstand the harshest environments. Its long-travel suspension provides superior comfort and control over rough terrain. A minor drawback is its slightly heavier weight, which can be noticeable in very tight maneuvers. The Wanderer 300 is perfect for experienced adventure riders seeking robust reliability. Next, let's explore the Explorer 400, a versatile machine designed for diverse adventures. Its balanced aesthetics combine modern lines with practical adventure features. The Explorer 400 offers impressive agility on both asphalt and gravel roads. Its responsive engine provides ample power for highway cruising and off-road excursions. The comfortable ergonomics make it suitable for long-distance touring. Advanced rider aids, including traction control, enhance safety and confidence. Some riders might desire more aggressive off-road tires as standard equipment. The Explorer 400 is ideal for riders who seek a balanced blend of on-road comfort and off-road capability. Moving on, we present the robust Nomad 500, a true workhorse for serious adventures. Its purposeful design prioritizes functionality and long-distance comfort. The Nomad 500 is built to tackle the most challenging environments with unwavering reliability. Its powerful engine delivers consistent performance, even when fully loaded with gear. The robust chassis and protective elements ensure durability on extended expeditions. Its generous fuel capacity allows for long stretches between refueling stops. The only minor issue might be its wider profile, which can be challenging in extremely narrow trails. The Nomad 500 is highly recommended for globetrotters and those planning transcontinental journeys. Finally, we showcase the Adventurer 650, the pinnacle of lightweight adventure touring. Its sophisticated design combines high performance with luxurious comfort. The Adventurer 650 delivers exhilarating performance on any surface. From highways to challenging trails, its powerful engine and advanced electronics provide a refined and controlled riding experience. The plush seating and superior wind protection ensure maximum comfort on the longest rides. It comes equipped with top-tier components and cutting-edge safety features. The premium price point might be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. The Adventurer 650 is the ultimate choice for riders seeking uncompromising performance and luxury. So we've explored 5 incredible lightweight adventure motorbikes. From the agile Trailblazer 250 to the luxurious Adventurer 650, each offers unique strengths. Choosing the right bike depends on your personal riding style and adventure aspiration. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just starting your journey, there's a perfect bike for you. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more adventure content, and share it with your riding buddies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.